Today I will show you how to create clipping mask using Photoshop. So let's begin. First, we need to take any such image. Then use the ellipse tool to take a round shape like this. Then we'll go to the Properties panel, and then we'll fill it with any solid color like this. Then we'll go to Layer Options. And holding the image layer, move it above the ellipse layer. Then again hold the image and fix it with the round shape. Make it bigger and smaller as needed. Then click on the image layer and press Ctrl+J to copy another image layer. Now click on the first image layer, click the right mouse button, click on Create Clipping Mask option. Then click on the copy image layer and click on the Add Layer Mask option. Then we need to move to the Brush tool. Then go to the Brush tool control bar and select the hard round brush and set the hardness to 100%. And the ground color must be black. Now remove the unnecessary parts outside the round shape with the Brush tool. Now click on the first image layer. Click on the FX option below and go to the Blending option, and then click on the Drop Shadow option. And in this way, we have to add image shadow so that our image looks more realistic. Finally, our image clipping mask is complete. If you like the video, then definitely subscribe to our Design YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get more tutorial videos like this.